Good morning, students. Now in exercise 11.1 we are going to solve fifth problem. Already we solved 4 problems. Now fifth problem. Draw a triangle. Draw a triangle. Draw a triangle ABC. Draw a triangle ABC with BC, with side BC, six centimeters, this side 6 centimeters, BC 6 centimeters, AB 5 centimeters, and angle ABC. Angle is given here 60 degrees. Where it is at angle B. So at B we have to take 60 degrees. Then construct a triangle. Construct a triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Okay, right. First we have to construct a triangle ABC. In that dimensions are given. BC side should be 6 centimeters, AB is 5 centimeters, and at B we have to take 60 degrees. Using these 3 dimensions, we have to construct a triangle ABC. After constructing triangle ABC, we should construct another triangle which is similar to ABC, and each side of newly constructed triangle should be 3 by 4 of given triangle ABC, first triangle ABC. Okay, right. Now I am going to use the given information. Using the given information, I am going to construct the triangle. This is the now using the information, I am going to construct the triangle. So I am drawing BC side first. Take BC side here, whose length is 6 centimeters. So I draw BC side of triangle BC 6 centimeters. Next at B we have 60 degrees and AB length is 5 centimeters. So I am taking 60 degrees angle at B. So through B draw a ray, and that ray should make angle with BC as 60 degrees. Okay. So I draw one ray through B which is making 60 degrees angle. After that AB is given. So AB somewhere it will be there. So AB is 5 centimeters. So taking B as center and 5 centimeters radius, cut this ray at somewhere. So I am cutting here, which is at distance of 5 centimeters. At the distance of 5 centimeters, taking B as center, at the distance of 5 centimeters, I will cut the ray BX or B, whatever it may be, ray BX or BY. Okay, ray BY at 5 centimeters, and take that point as A. Take that point, intersecting point as A. Then after join A with C. Now this is the required triangle. Okay. Now I got required triangle, which is BC 6 centimeters, AB is 5 centimeters, and B. Now I am going to find the similar triangle, which is similar to this triangle, whose sides are 3 by 4 of the given triangle. 3 by 4 is proper fraction. Proper fraction means this is the first triangle, second triangle will be smaller than this. So for that, through B, draw a ray. I draw a ray X. On B, locate how many points? 4 points. Why? Because in 3 by 4, 4 is the greatest number. So I am denoting the points on this line. B1, how many points? 4 points. B1, B2, B3, B4. For proper fraction, we have to add this side with B4. So C I am joining with B4. After joining with B4, we need 3 by 4 triangle. No, this side newly constructed triangle should have 3 by 4 of the first triangle. So I am joining through B3. I am drawing a line parallel to CB4 like this. it will intersect BC at some point, say that as C dash. Okay. Again through C dash, draw a line parallel to AC. Like this. It will meet AB at some point, take that point and A dash. Now newly constructed triangle area C dash B is similar to ABC, whose sides are 3/4 of the triangle ABC. So we can justify this by, already we did how to justify. So we can write the steps first of all, then after we have to justify it. So what I did first, I constructed ABC. Step 1. Step 1, draw BC 6 centimeters. Draw BC 6 centimeters. Next, and by taking angle B 60 degrees, throw B, draw a ray BY. Draw a ray BY. Step 2. In step 2, what I did, taking B as center, 5 centimeters radius, cut the ray BY at A. Then join AC. Cut the ray at A, then join AC. So we will get the required triangle. So we can get triangle ABC. Right? In step 3, after getting ABC, go to step 3. To step 3, we are going to construct a similar triangle. For this, throw B, draw a ray BX, which makes acute angle with BC, which makes acute angle with BC, right? Next, step 4. In step 4, locate 4 points. Why? Because greater of 3 and 4 in 3/4. 4 points, B1, B2, B3, B4 on BX. How to locate the points? Such a way that so that B1, B2, B3 should be equal to B3, B4. In this way, we have to locate the 4 points. Okay, right. After locating these 4 points, throw B4, join B with B4. Step 4, 5. Throw B4 or join C with B4 and throw B3, which is why B3 smaller number, smaller of 3 and 4 in 3/4. Throw B3, draw a line parallel to CB4. It will meet BC at C dash by taking angle B3 C dash is equal to angle B4 C. These angles should be equal, then only we will get the parallel line. Okay, Now step 6. Step 6. Throw C dash. Throw C dash. Draw a line. Parallel to. Throw C dash. Draw a line parallel to AC. It will meet AB at A dash. Meet AB at A dash by taking angle BC dash A dash should be equal to angle BCA. This angle should be same. Then only we will get the parallel line. Right, now we constructed A dash BC dash, triangle A dash BC dash, similar to triangle ABC. Now whose sides are 3/4 of triangle ABC. Now we consider the similar triangle to triangle ABC. Now we have to justify it. Justification. For justification, what we have to show? BC dash by BC, A dash B by AB, A dash C dash by AC is equal to 3/4. We have to show. We show that this three ratios are equal to 3/4. Right. For that, here see this triangle, and above the BC we have two triangles. In triangle ABC and in triangle A dash BC dash. Angle A common angle, and angle C dash angle C are equal by construction, and the A dash C dash is parallel to AC, so they are corresponding angles. So we can write B C dash A dash is equal to angle BCA are equal. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Why corresponding angles? Why? Because A dash C dash is parallel to AC. Corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. So by AA similarity, we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash BC dash. So we got triangle ABC similar to triangle A dash BC dash. So from that, if they are similar, then corresponding sides are in same ratio. So we can write this. Now below BC again we have two triangles. So in triangle, bigger triangle is A, B, C, B4, and smaller triangle B, B3, C dash, B, B3, C dash. Angle B equal. Why? Because common angle. This is common angle. Okay. Now this angle will be equal by construction, and B3 C dash by construction we know that it is parallel to this. So these two are corresponding angles. How to represent this angle? B3 C dash is equal to B4 C dash. So B3 C dash equal to B4 C. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Again we can use AA similarity by AA similarity. by similarity we can write by A similarity we can write, say this is one triangle B3 C dash similar to triangle B4 C. So I am taking B3 similar triangle. They are similar, no? If they are similar, corresponding sides are in same ratio. B3 by B4 is equal to BC dash by BC is equal to B3 C dash by B4 C will be equal. These ratios are equal. Why? Because these are similar. Now observe here, B3 having 3 parts, B2 B4 having 4 parts. So in place of this we can write 3 by 4. 3 by 4 equal to BC dash by BC, and this is B3 C dash by B4 C. So here we can observe that BC dash by BC ratio is 3 by 4. And observe here in the equation we have BC dash by BC. BC dash by BC we got from this similarity we got 3 by 4. So I am substituting here. So by 1, from 1 we know this. From 1 we know this, and we got this BC dash by BC as 3 by 4. So can I write here BC? So BC dash by BC is equal to, if this is equal to 3 by 4, this will be equal to 3 by 4. This will be equal to 3 by 4 by AB A dash C dash by AC is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Right. From this we can write BC dash by equating these two equalities. BC dash is 3 by 4 of BC, and A dash B is 3 by 4 of AB, and A dash C dash is 3 by 4 of AB. AC. Now we proved that BC dash is 3 by 4 of first triangle BC, and A dash B is, which is side of newly constructed second triangle, is 3 by 4 of first triangle AB, and A dash C dash is 3 by 4 of first triangle side AC. Okay, this is the way to construct the triangle and similar triangle. So using these methods you can solve remaining problems. Okay.